As Meghalaya continues to reel under load shedding, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has expressed confidence that the situation would improve soon. Speaking to media persons here on Tuesday, Conrad Sangma said the load shedding situation has been complicated this year, although the election phase made it less acute. Assuring reforms in the MEECL, he said, only a decent volume of rainfall or the state's ability to purchase power at a reasonable rate could bring some respite for the consumers. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister also said that the first engagement between the Assam and Meghalaya governments in the second phase of border talks will be initiated this month.
Load shedding, as I said, we have to understand that this year specifically has been a much more complicated year for us. We had elections, and because of the election procedures, election commission and many other factors, in the current situation, the only respite that we will get is once we see some kind of good rainfall that we can get, or once we're able to see that we're able to purchase the power at a slightly more reasonable rate. The rates are very high. We are working out the dates. Hopefully, we should be able to initiate the first talk within the month of May itself. But obviously, as I said, it's a process. So it's not that we will see everything happen in one day, but at least the initiation part, we will try our best.